Alright guys, we have here a Hyundai Accent 2017. We are doing all key lost. So it asks the customer the ignition and the door key are same. So I'm gonna try to take off the ignition door and disassemble it and take out the pin one by one and read them and cut the key for it. But I just noticed this one is not easy to take it. You have to open the whole panel. Usually there is a hole here. Screw it. Alright, so I'm gonna try to open it. If you want to open it, there is one screw here behind this one and one screw right here, and you pull out this one. Alright, and I believe no any screws. Alright, and so that's the only two screws you need to remove them. Everything clips. Just you gotta pull it hard a little bit, then you lift it up and it go down like this. Peel out this one. Let's see how we're gonna take it out. Alright, so it's right here. It's 10 millimeter from here. It should come out. Alright, I remove here, that one's like 10 millimeter, and just pull it out. See it? And now it's holding. I don't know if you can see it with that one here. I don't think you can see it. Yeah, you just lift it up and you take out. Alright, let me do it. Here we go, just like this. So there is that one here. If you see it, that one here is holding right here. You just push this one up and you take it out. Alright, and now what you disconnect this one just like this, lift it up both sides, and that's it. Here we go. This is what you get. What are you gonna do now? You remove this one, this clips here, remove it out, and also you remove that one and take it out. Let me show you. Alright, now we have the cylinder. Let's take it out. Open that one. Just make sure don't jump, don't fly. There we go. Put it aside and remove that one here to the side, and then here's spring. See, put your screwdriver right here or some. There we go. Open. Alright, now that one. So there is a clip, so you see here, they clip it here and right here. So we just do it like this. See how I lift it up from the two sides. Right, from the two sides, lift it up, the first side like this, and then from the other side. Alright, so what I did, and I just keep pushing that way, only one way up, and I lift that way in, and then I put the screwdrivers in between here and lift it up, and now it come out, and this, and now just give it a little bit push from the other side. All right, here we go. Alright, here's that one. And that one, you don't have to remove it. If it come out, it's fine. You just gotta be careful when you take it out. And sometimes, you see, on the bottom and on the top, there is a pins. See it on the top and on the bottom too. So when you want to lift it up, you just lean it this way, so the pins, they don't drop. If they drop, all code is gonna messed up. Alright, so we're gonna start from the first one. Take it out, it's like this. Alright, clean it and you look for the number. See this one, number 5. Alright, you go to your, if you have a pen, or you have I usually use the app, the Key Logic Pro. Scan the VIN number and with the code, the bitting. Alright, and here there is a spring dropped, and you gotta be careful also. You see it? So the spring is right here. This one too. So the first one over here on this side, and the second one, if you want to turn it, you gotta hold those, they don't drop. You see the second one on the top, that one, and the third one, the opposite side, is that one. The fourth one on the top, and so on. I think 8 pins. So alright, let me take it one by one and get back with it. I'm here inside the Key Logic Pro. So what I'm gonna do, just scan the car. I already scanned it. Alright, so Hyundai Accent. And the good thing with this, show you the inventory if you have it or not. So this is the actual key. So let's just make sure this one HY 18, and there is HY 18R. So just make sure you get the right one. Alright, and you go down a little bit, see a lot of stuff here, the FCC and stuff, add a key, and here is the code if you want to purchase it, how much is it, and if you want AI, and also if you want the leashy, if you have those, the leashy, I think HY18 will work. Yeah, that one will work. If you have the leashy is better, you don't have to disassemble. And if you want to put your code, here is right here. I already put the code. And yep, so I'm just gonna go and cut it. Alright guys, we are on the machine. So I already put the key, which is the other key, as I said, is the different one. They are exactly same, but this one is, the cut is different way. This one the right side, this one is just a regular. Alright, so we put it here. Let's go to automotive. Let's go brand and model. Let's go Accent. Let's go Hyundai. Let's go Hyundai, and then we go to the first one, accent, and here if you see there is a 2, 18 on R, so I just check on the it was 18. I put the code here, 5 2 1 2 5 4 5 4. And just double check it. Alright, so what you do next, you go advanced setting and you click find bidding. If you are using the color, the dolphin, on your phone on the bottom there is a find bidding, so always click on it. Make sure it give you option here. If it didn't give you option, most of the time is the wrong bidding. Just double check it. Right click on it, cut, and just follow the prompt right here where it's telling you, and just go. This machine is more expensive, it's like 3,000, but if you want to buy the dolphin, the XR dolphin is like 1,500 with a battery, and that one doesn't have any battery. You have to connect it to the actual electric to the car. But that one, the good thing with it, you can do the commercial keys, biddings, but the dolphin cannot do that. All of that. Alright, just you make sure you flip it, you cut it the other side. Alright, already cut it and works smoothly. So you see the pin here, they're all flat. Just make sure all of them flat, if not, this is the wrong cut. And test it out, put it in, turn it, work. Alright, now what we're gonna do, you can take the key out if you want. So you put the spring, put this one on the bottom, it's like this, and you push this one all the way to the top. Alright, now you need that one. This one will not fit, you know, if you put it the wrong way. If you try to put it the wrong way, it will not fit. Just make sure this one all the way push in, and just put it like this. And the clips anywhere, just put it and push it. Here we go. Alright, now you go, you put this one, the last parts. I believe it's gonna go this way. Yep. Just push it hard. There you go, fit. And if you want to secure it, just press this one here, you know, push it hard, and that's it. Test your key, and now we go test it on the ignition. Alright, this key, put it in ignition, turn it. Just by the way, this car doesn't have a chip. So most of the Hyundai and Kia, I think 2010 to 2019, 20 sometime, they don't have a chip on the key. It just started. Alright guys, and now we have to put everything back. That's it for today. Guys, if you like it, please subscribe and like. Thanks so much for watching.